What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. I picked this up from Amazon. This is a dope looking case, so we're just gonna get this unboxed and try it out on iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I'm going to give you my thoughts of it. I like this style of case. It lets you see. This is the I think this is the Neon One. Woo, that feels nice in the inside. So we're just gonna peel off that there. Peel off the inside like that. Amazon, this case was like $18 and some change. I like this because it has the breakdown of what MagSafe looks like in the inside. This looks really, really dope. It's just a hard TPU case with this design on the outside. It's supposed to be anti-yellowing, so we shall see. But we're just going to slide the iPhone 16 Pro Max in like so. Woo! That looks dang good when you have a white device. So coming over here, you do get access to your power button, nice and clicky, no problem. Coming over here, you do get access to your camera button, no problem. You can get in there and take your photos and videos, so on and so on. You get a little lanyard loop if that's something that you are into. Down here, you get access to USB-C charging. Over here, you get your alert slider, nice and clicky, no problem. Power button, nice and clicky. I mean, volume up and down, nice and clicky. You do get a decent lip, but I will recommend you put on a screen protector. So if you drop your phone on the table, you will be good to go. Overall, you do get a nice cutout on the back for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. This does do MagSafe wireless charging. So let me pick up a wireless charger. And just like that, it is charging. Magnet is pretty strong. No problem. Overall, I love this case. Spigen makes some dope cases. But yeah, this is the Spigen Neo One. I have one of these cases coming for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So be on the lookout when the one comes from my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I will be unboxing that and putting it on my device. The devices that I rock at the same time. I love to get matching cases if possible. But overall, this is just a dope looking case. And if this doesn't yellow, this will be amazing. I like the MagSafe teardown in the inside. Looks like it's like a little chip in the inside. So this is pretty dope. But I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I will drop the Amazon link because that is where I actually bought this from. And sometimes you can get things a lot cheaper on Amazon than what you can get them for if you went to Spigen's website. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.